Welcome friends and all of my students to By Csanjib Smart Learning YouTube channel for online learning. This is the inaugural session address to start an online class 2021. Due to COVID-19 affected pandemic situation all over the world and after a long struggle of almost 1.5 years, I have been able to start the online classes for all of my students and interested persons who are mainly interested to learn foreign languages online comfortably at home. In this channel Smart Learning, mainly two languages, French and Chinese Mandarin, will be covered. Both basic conversational part and grammatical part will be covered in both the languages. If anybody has any specific requirement for any topic or grammatical part of the languages, for school level courses and college level courses or any other professional courses, they can contact me for 1:1 online classes in my WhatsApp number given in the description. I'll be requesting to all of my students and interested persons who are following lessons one by one from this channel to like, share and comment and subscribe my channel Smart Learning so that whenever one by one lessons will be uploaded in this channel, you can get it fast. Thank you very much. Let's start today's lesson. Welcome friends and all of my students to By Csanjib Smart Learning YouTube channel for online learning. In this session, I'll be mainly discussing the alphabetic part of the French language. From the very beginning, the French pronunciation of the alphabet A to Z will be covered in this session. Before starting today's lesson, I'll be requesting you once again to like, share and subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that the lessons to be uploaded in future in this channel, you can get it fast. Please follow the lesson attentively. Let's start the lesson. Thank you very much. Pronunciation of French alphabets. A pronunciation inside the bracket I have written A. B pronunciation B, French pronunciation B. C French pronunciation C. D French pronunciation D. E French pronunciation E. F French pronunciation F. G French pronunciation J. H French pronunciation H. I French pronunciation E. J French pronunciation she. K French pronunciation ka. L French pronunciation L. M French pronunciation M. N French pronunciation N. O French pronunciation O. P French pronunciation P. Q French pronunciation Q. Okay. R air. S S. T te. U U. V ve. W double ve. X X. Y Y. Z Z. All these are French alphabetic pronunciation of French alphabets in general. But whenever we will be learning accents in future, then when accents will be used on any particular alphabet, the pronunciation may differ and meaning also may differ. Okay. First, you practice the general pronunciation of French alphabets. from the very beginning, A to Z. I think from this lesson you will have a very good idea regarding French pronunciation of the alphabets A to Z. Okay, that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.